Are you looking? The demand for multi-cookers with air fryer capabilities has skyrocketed as people seek to simplify their cooking while saving time. These versatile appliances are a dream come true for busy families, health-conscious individuals, and cooking enthusiasts alike. This guide will evaluate the best multi-cookers with air fryers based on key features like cooking performance, build quality, versatility. List number: Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1 Air Fryer, an electric pressure cooker combo with multi-cooker lids. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1 is a kitchen powerhouse that brings together pressure cooking and air frying in one sleek design. With 11 cooking presets, it allows you to pressure cook, air fry, bake, broil, steam, sauté, and more, making it perfect for any meal. The Pro Crisp comes with a unique air fryer lid that quickly crisps and browns food, adding an extra level of versatility compared to standard Instant Pots. Its large 6-quart capacity is ideal for families, and the easy-to-use digital interface ensures effortless control over your cooking. What sets it apart is the multi-cooker lids, which allow you to interchange functions seamlessly without additional clutter. It's a perfect match for those who want fast and flavorful meals, especially if you enjoy crispy foods like fries or chicken wings. Downsides include its large size, which may not be ideal for smaller kitchens. List new: Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 Air Fryer and Electric Pressure Cooker Combo. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 combines all your favorite cooking methods, including air frying, steaming, baking, sautéing, and pressure cooking. This model stands out with its dual lid system, one for pressure cooking and one for air frying. This makes it easy to switch from one mode to another without switching out parts. The Duo Crisp features a 6-quart capacity, which is ideal for medium-sized households. It's also equipped with an easy-to-read display, allowing precise cooking adjustments. The air frying lid is top-notch, delivering crispy, golden results without the need for excess oil. If you want a versatile multi-cooker that can handle a variety of cooking techniques, this is an excellent option. However, the lack of a self-cleaning function can be a minor inconvenience for those who prefer low-maintenance gadgets.
List number 3: Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 Air Fryer and Electric Pressure Cooker Combo with multi-cooker lids. Another top contender from Instant Pot, the Duo Crisp 11-in-1 offers a sleek design and user-friendly features. Like the previous model, this appliance combines pressure cooking, sautéing, and air frying, offering a range of cooking possibilities. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for larger meals, while the air fryer lid ensures crispy textures without the added oil. This model excels at making quick meals, especially for those who love crispier dishes, such as French fries, chicken nuggets, or fish fillets. While the lid is easy to remove and attach, the weight of the unit can make it slightly cumbersome to handle. Another downside is the lack of a timer for certain functions, which could make precise cooking challenging. But overall, it's a well-rounded and affordable multi-cooker with air fryer capabilities.
List number: Ninja OS 301/FD305CO Foodi 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker and Air Fryer with Nesting Broil Rack. The Ninja OS 301/FD305CO Foodi is an exceptional multi-cooker and air fryer combo with impressive features. With 10 cooking functions, including air frying, pressure cooking, slow cooking, and steaming, it provides versatile meal options. What sets this model apart is its nesting broil rack, which allows for 2-level cooking, making it a great choice for larger meals or multi-course dishes. The 6.5-quart capacity is perfect for families and can handle everything from crispy fries to roasted meats. The Tender Crisp technology ensures that your food is pressure cooked first for tenderness, then air fried for that irresistible crispiness. Additionally, the easy-to-use control panel is intuitive and simplifies the cooking process. However, the Ninja Foodi is on the larger side and may take up considerable space in smaller kitchens. List number: A-Well 8-in-1 Programmable 4.5-quart Multi-Cooker with Air Fryer. The A-Whale 8-in-1 is an excellent option for those looking for a compact, multifunctional cooker. This 4.5-quart device offers a range of cooking options, including air frying, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, and more. With 8 programmable presets, it simplifies meal preparation for a variety of cuisines. The air fryer function works well, providing crispy results without overcooking or burning. The smaller 4.5-quart capacity makes it ideal for smaller households or apartments, while its compact design doesn't compromise on functionality. The A-Whale offers great value for the price, making it perfect for individuals who want a budget-friendly multi-cooker with air fryer capabilities. However, the smaller capacity may not be sufficient for larger families or meal prepping.